Hello guys, in this video we will be talking about this soldering iron, which is from Flipkart. You can see, and the pricing listed here is 209 rupees. It came from Delhi in around 2 to 3 days. In this video we will be unboxing it, and you can see here it is a 25 watt 5v1 simple flat tip soldering iron and so let's jump into this video and unbox this package which is delivered just to me. So let's cut this package. So you can see this is the actual package. Thank you for shopping with Fadman. Actually Fadman is the brand of this soldering iron. You can see here the listing of the products you can buy from the Fadman. You can see that it is make in India, and nothing more. So let's go ahead in this video and just unbox this so you can see here these are the package contents. Nothing here, so we will keep this aside, and you can see here 5v1 1 2 3 4 5. This is the soldering stand. Quite good. So let's unwrap this. This is the soldering stand. See, actually this desoldering wig has been came out from its holder, so we will just put that inside. So this is the actual soldering iron. You can see, we will put this side also. This is the soldering tin you get inside, and this is the soldering paste. You can see soldering flux. It shows that 15 grams. Okay, let's just focus. 15 grams, retail price 10 rupees. Don't know how does this open. So these are the things. We'll just unwrap the soldering iron. The soldering iron is quite thick wire. I think this is a resin cord soldering wire you get. So we will be looking at this, the main soldering iron, and we will check this. It is a 25 watt soldering iron, and we will check this how many seconds or minutes does this soldering iron take to melt this. You can see this is the flat tip soldering iron. Here is the just focus me, this is the Fadman logo. You can see here 25 watt to 20 volt. This is the wire. Want to okay, just me untwist this. So we'll put this in the stand. No, it will, without a stand we can check this. So we will be checking that how much time does this take to melt this. So I will be plugging this in a power socket, and we will use a smartphone to measure the time. I will just focus it, and can see here I am just so the timer has started, and we will be checking this. It is heating. Smoky smells are coming from this. "34 seconds. Smoke coming from, so it started melting. Okay, it does take around 1 minute to heat up this. So it does take a lot more time to heat up. You can see here 1 minute, approximately 1 minute has taken this. And it is a cheap soldering iron, and if you are doing simple projects in house, you can go for this. Not bad in this price range. You got 5 products from the Fadman brand itself, so it's a quite a good deal, and you can go for this. So thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.